When you set up a Shopify store, Shopify gives you this domain to use. It's your store name and then myshopify.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use your own domain there. And my domain I bought at GoDaddy, but the way I show you how to do it, it should help you for any other registrar as well. So first thing you want to do is go into your Shopify admin, go to online store, go to domains, buy or connect a domain. Of course you can buy domains through Shopify. I don't really like to do that. I like to buy all my domains at GoDaddy. And then connect existing domain because I already bought my domain. Then you type in your domain and click next. Now the Shopify's figured out that it's a GoDaddy domain. You can click connect automatically, and usually this works. It'll pop up a window and you'll log into your GoDaddy, you'll select your domain, and Shopify will set it all up automatically, and that's real helpful. Problem is it doesn't always work. So click that button. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, I'll show you how to connect manually here. So you click connect manually, and then they'll show you the instructions. Click on that. Pops up the Shopify help documentation, how to set up your domain with GoDaddy, and you'll see connecting a domain. They've got instructions for a lot of different registrars. So 1&1, Bluehost, HostGator, whoever you bought your domain from, you can get instructions there. But let's see. These instructions are a little interesting. So they want you to go to, that's connect automatically, connect manually. Log into GoDaddy, click manage all your domains, connect existing. So they want you to click on this use my domain button and then connect existing site, and then it kind of automatically does it again on the GoDaddy side, and then you verify the connection. Problem is, you'll see here's a domain name, this button. When we go to my GoDaddy account, I'm setting up Florida1845.com. I think I've already worked with this domain a little bit, and I don't have that button that they want me to click on, use my domain. No button here. So I'm going to show you how to get around that. Now, if we scroll back up here, they've got all these custom ones, but if you just click on connecting a domain, they give you some straight directions on how to do this. And this is really what we want. All the automatic stuff does these steps here. So we want to create an A record that points to this IP address. So click that to copy that IP address. This IP address right there. Then come back here, click on these dots, manage DNS. So here's all the records for your domain. I've got a couple extra ones. I think I've already set up my email address to work with this domain. So one we want to look at though is this A record here, and it says parked right now, but we'll just edit that and leave host at that @ points to the IP address, and you can leave all that and click save. Alright, then the next thing we want to do is update this Cname record, the one with the www, and we'll come back to our instructions here, and your Cname record should point to myshopify.com. Click that to copy that. Come back here, edit, points to shops.myshopify, and save. Alright. Then we come back to the admin panel here and we click verify connection. That's gonna reach out to GoDaddy and try to verify that domain, and looks like it worked. Your domain's not pointing. It can take up to 24 hours. It says 24 hours here. GoDaddy actually says 48 hours it could take up to, but usually it happens pretty quick. All right, let's try it out. Let's see what happens if we just go to Florida. Yep, and it's already working. All right, looks good.